In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a classic black and white effect using DaVinci Resolve. Whether you're looking to add a timeless touch to your videos or simply experimenting with different styles, converting your footage to black and white can be a powerful tool in your editing arsenal. We'll keep things straightforward and easy to follow, so let's dive right in. First, we're going to start in the color page of DaVinci Resolve. This is where the magic of color correction and grading happens. If you're not familiar with this page, it's a powerful tool packed with features to help you achieve exactly the look you're going for. Once you're there, you'll see a variety of options for manipulating your video's color attributes. Now, here comes the simple yet pivotal step. Navigate to the Color Wheels menu. This is typically located on the bottom half of your interface. The color wheels are essential for adjusting the hue, saturation, and luminance of your footage, and they're incredibly intuitive once you get the hang of them. For our black and white effect, we're focusing specifically on saturation. With your clip open in the color wheels, you'll want to locate the saturation slider. It's generally positioned alongside other sliders such as lift, gamma, and gain. To strip your video of its color, all you need to do is drag that saturation slider all the way down to 0. As you do this, watch as the vibrant colors of your clip fade away, revealing a monochrome scene that can evoke a range of emotions from nostalgia to elegance. A quick tip here. When you drag the saturation down, take a moment to pause and inspect the clip. Think about the composition and contrast. With color removed, these elements become even more important to the viewer, so look for any adjustments you might need to make to highlights and shadows to ensure a balanced and pleasing black and white image. You might find that some additional tweaks on the contrast or luminance sliders bring out more depth and drama in your shot. There you have it. Converting your video into black and white in DaVinci Resolve is as easy as adjusting a single slider in the color wheels menu. While this process is simple, the artistic possibilities are extensive. Experiment with different scenes and lighting to see how black and white transforms the mood and storytelling of your projects. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video sparked some creative inspiration for your future edits. Happy editing, and until next time, keep exploring the world of color, or lack thereof, in your video projects.